This is just symbolic of the kind of misconduct that is taking place in that department.
Now at 5, a major development in a police corruption scandal in the East Bay. Arrests today as federal indictments were unsealed, accusing current and former Antioch and Pittsburg police officers of a wide range of crimes, from civil rights violations to destruction and falsification of records to distribution of steroids. Good evening, everyone. I'm Alex Savage.
And I'm Julie Hayner. Our crime reporter Henry Lee live now at the federal building in San Francisco after hearing from investigators. Henry.
Alex and Julie, this was 2 years in the making, and these federal charges are on top of ongoing investigations by the Contra Costa County DA and the state attorney general.
Collectively, these 4 indictments describe a group of officers who acted as though they were above the law.
9 current or former Antioch and Pittsburg police officers arrested and indicted on federal charges after a lengthy investigation by the FBI.
The indictments unsealed today paint a picture of officers who have violated that oath.
The officers were named in 4 indictments.
Law enforcement officers are sworn for a reason. We bear a tremendous responsibility to police our communities lawfully and in keeping with the Constitution.
Antioch officers Eric Rombo and Devin Wenger accused of violating the rights of suspects by using excessive force or less lethal weapons and bragging about it in texts. Wenger and former Antioch officer Daniel Harris also accused of conspiring to distribute anabolic steroids. Antioch Canine officer Morteza Amiri charged with sharing photos of dog bite victims and tallying up those incidents as trophies. Ex-Antioch and Pittsburgh officer Timothy Manley Williams charged with manipulating a wiretap operation by calling a target of the case and destroying the cell phone of someone recording an arrest with a police dog. Amiri and Pittsburgh officers Patrick Burhan, Brawley Rodriguez Jalapa, Amanda Theodosi, and, seen here, Ernesto Mejia Orozco, charged with paying someone to take online college courses on their behalf to boost their pay.
And if you can't trust these officers, that means many reports that have been written by these officers down through the years could in fact be challenged.
Civil rights attorney John Burris is suing Antioch police on behalf of alleged victims. He says the indictments are just the first step.
The next portion of it is, how do we clean up the department? How do we get rid of the officers who in fact engage in illegal, unconstitutional conduct?
Antioch Mayor Lamar Thorpe called it a dark day. In a statement, Thorpe said in part, "To those that have accused me and others of being anti-police for seeking to reform the Antioch Police Department, today's arrests are demonstrative of the issues that have plagued the Antioch Police Department for decades." Now, these officers were arrested today in Hawaii, California, and Texas because they were named in indictments handed up by a federal grand jury. They would go straight to trial unless they take plea deals first. Live in San Francisco, Henry Lee, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
All right, Henry, thank you for that.
Scared.